Food, water, and air determines the quality of chi one has. In addition to this, sleep, prayer, and meditation can strengthen both the internal and external communication of one's protective energetic field and overall energy flow known as chi. Chi. Chi is vital life force energy. Chi is the medium between matter and spirit. Gong. Gong is skill, the skill to work or to do hard work. When you combine the two, Qi Gong, the skill and work of mastering one's energy. All cosmic work is a result of the following. This also includes reality. Intention. If you wanted to improve your intention, you would focus on the spleen. The spleen is represented by the color yellow and the earth element. Its sound projection is gong. Imagination. If you wanted to strengthen your imagination, you would place a focus on your liver. The liver is represented by the wood element, and its sound projection is goo. Attention. Attention is represented by the heart organ and fire element, and its sound purgation is ha. Sensation. If you wanted to prove your sensations, you would focus on your lung organ. It's represented by the metal element, and its sound is or shong. Willpower, or one's will to live or to persist, is represented by the kidney organs, and the element that represents the kidneys is water, and its sound purgation is you or tree. Each tissue, cell, organ, and organ system responds to light, sound, vibration, heat, electricity, and magnetism, thus creating a different layer of one's energetic protective field, known as Wei Qi. There are 3 external layers of the body's auric and subtle energetic fields. Energy bodies exist between the physical and spirit, and is always controlled by breath and your breathing patterns. There are exercises that can be completed for these particular organs to strengthen one's energetic body that would be the equivalent to going to the gym to improve one's physical fitness and appearance, or playing Sudoku, completing a crossword puzzle, or playing chess for the mind. The liver exercise. The liver exercise releases anger, stress, and rage. It replaces it or refills it with compassion, love, patience, and benevolence. The kidney exercise. The kidney exercise releases fear, loneliness, shock, and replaces them with clarity, clearing, gentleness, wisdom, and confidence. The lung exercise. The lung exercise releases sadness, shame, grief, sorrow, or guilt, and replaces it with self-worth, integrity, righteousness, and courage. The heart exercise. The heart exercise releases nervousness, impatience, lack of boundaries, and excess of joy, and replaces it with peace, love, joy, and order. The spleen exercise. The spleen exercise releases worry, remorse, overthinking, and anxiety or overstudying, and it replaces it with trust, self-trust, honesty, self-nourishment, and nourishing of others. So I encourage you to go ahead and practice and play with your instrument and its various organs and sounds, because this is the vessel and the portal. This is the technology. This is the intelligence that your body naturally houses and can awaken and align. Practice improves play. 2, 4, 6, 8, rest, relax, and recuperate.